Hello everybody. Here goes another knife and ammo find. Let's see, first things here is this Smith & Wesson knife. Here is the barcode. This is actually a pretty decent knife. Very large actually. It was the Smith & Wesson Border Guard. Very good grip. I think that one's a keeper. Probably won't be a gift to the family. And that one came in extremely cheap. Let's see, Smith & Wesson. Let's see, they came in at $4.50. Alright, the one with the SOG finds. Here's the Twitch 2 LT. There's the SKU number. Let's see, remember that one being fairly cheap. That one was $7. Okay, then on to the two SOG Sogillas. I really like these. Great little knife. High quality knife for what it is. And those are $7 a piece. Alright, moving on. Managed to find two of the Swiss Army knives. Let's see, there is the barcode. Let's see here. Those are coming in at $4.50. Alright, let's see. Next we'll move on to the Leatherman. That is called the Wingman, and there is its barcode. This was probably the most expensive item I purchased today. Like I said, today was definitely a clearance day for shopping. That came in at $15. Next is a knife that I've been finding a few of lately. It's Ontario Knife Company. That's a pretty decent folder. Seems like it's good quality steel. And it even comes with a really good edge on it. For $7, that is a hard to beat knife, in my opinion. Okay, next we move on to the Gerber. Very tiny. This is called the Gerber Dime. This will probably go to one of the daughters for Christmas. I really like this one. Very tiny. Perfect for a bug-eyed bag or just a pocket. It folds up so small. Let's see, make sure y'all have the SKU number and barcode on that one. This is only the second one that I found pretty much that's left. And I've been in lots of stores looking for them. And from memory, that comes in at $4.50. That's a great deal. Next, moving on to the Ozark Trail multi-tool. Very similar to the Leatherman. A little bit bulkier, a little heavier. Overall, it's actually pretty decent quality for what it is. You know, these are definitely going to be Christmas gifts. I will definitely pass these on to family members. And those are coming in at $2.50. That's not bad at all. We'll move on to the Ozark Trail knives. They have built-in screwdrivers. They're not too awfully bad. I've got 3 in the blister pack and 1 came in the box. You know, for a cheap folder, something you can stick in your pocket. It's got a little Phillips head and a small hex bit there. It's serrated. Here is the barcode on the boxed model, and the barcode on the blister pack one. These were going for $250. And I think I forgot to give you the barcode on the multi-tool in that Ozark Trail. There is that one. Alright, moving on next. Sheffield, 3 1/4 inch folder. They call this one the Cato. Not bad blade. I mean, you know, it needs to be sharpened, of course. You're not going to always get a razor edge on something this cheap. But it's not that bad of a knife. It comes in a little carrying case. Here is the barcode. Let's see here. That one was $250. So, not a bad price. That was one store, just to give you all an idea. So, one store alone. Lady had it sitting in a box. And I actually left quite a bit because there was so much redundancy of these same items over and over. So, alright, on to the next store. This store, the gentleman said he was going to do inventory tomorrow. And he really didn't feel like having to go through all these extra ammos. And he had some stuff that was sitting around. I actually hadn't seen very many of these before. These are Federal High Velocity Match 22 longs. Let's see here. There is your SKU number. That's a really nice looking bullet. I'm kind of happy with these. They are coming in at $3.67 a box. He had a sign up saying, you know, 3 boxes, maximum amount. He said he was glad to let them go. This was all the ones that were there. I got 10 boxes. The rest of the store was busted. There wasn't really anything good in it. Let's see here. Moving on. Next store. One lone box of PPU 9mm. Just had to get it. It was just sitting there alone. Had to let it join the rest of its friends. It was a little higher than I wanted to spend, $14.57, but I'm a sucker. Had to get it. And of course, as you see there, 3 boxes of mini mags. Let's see, get you some barcodes here. Barcode on the PPU 9mm. And barcode on the CCI mini mags in case anybody doesn't have it. And then, of course, one of those Sogzillas. I'm a sucker for these. I buy every one I can find. Especially when they're coming in at $7. That was right around a $30 knife when they first came out. Alright, on to the next store. 22 CCIs. Standard velocity. $3.47 a box. This guy said I could have all that were in the store. I just had to buy them in lots of 3 at a time. So, I took them all. Okay, last thing. I almost passed this scope by in the box. Just because of the name Gammo, I automatically assumed air rifle. But, according to the box, this is for rifles. I felt for this price, this would be perfect to stick on a 22 or something. $11.23. This is the first one I've seen of these. There is the barcode. Okay. Just so y'all can see it. She actually tried to charge me $19.97, which was the original markdown price. I caught it, and she corrected it there to $11.23, which is what it says. And one of my favorite ammos, the last box of 270 Winchester and Perfecta they had there, $11. I'm going to buy every one of these I can find. It's great shooting stuff. And 3 more Sogzillas. They came in at $7. I actually had to show the lady my receipt from the last purchase because they were marked for 10. But she said she was no problem with it. These were the last 3 in the store, and if I was going to buy them all, she would match the price. Well, happy hunting, everybody.